on, guys? Canyon here from MarineMax on Beach. Today I'm going to be walking you through a new listing of mine. It's a 2022 Grady-White 251 Coastal Explorer. Right at 60 hours on the Yamaha 300 horsepower. This boat's loaded with a lot of really cool features, you know, starting at the back of the boat. We got twin Minn Kota shallow water anchor poles on the back of the boat. A lot of times on a 25-foot boat, you're not gonna see a toilet. It's a big decision maker for a lot of families when they're looking for their new boat. This boat is equipped with a head. We're here at the front of the boat. A few features I really like about the 251. We have the nice lounger here in the middle. It's kind of got that coffin box effect. It does transition to a bow filler cushion in the front for a big casting platform. We have an insulated cooler underneath the seat here. Some extra rod holders. You can never have too many rod holders on a center console. We have some tackle storage on both port and starboard side, as well as two insulated fish box on both port and starboard. Another feature I forgot to mention here at the bow of the boat is some additional forward face seating. It's great for the wife, the kids. You got a load of people. They want to be sitting comfortable. Just lift up like so. You got a forward face seat. You got a cup holder and a grab rail. One feature I really want to dive into is this boat is equipped with the Yamaha Helmmaster CEX system. What this does is it provides your single engine joystick as well as your fish point mode. So right now we're sitting here stationary out in the middle of the water by the power of our engine. And I have a wife and two kids. So when we're out on the water, we're fishing, this feature right here is a game changer because I'm able to get out there, get over our spot, hit the fish point button. I'm baiting hooks, tying lines. I'm helping the wife and the kids get on some fish. Another part of this system is it does have the autopilot. So not only will this boat hold you over your fishing spot, it will also drive itself to the spot. We're gonna finish this walkthrough on the back of the boat. You'll see we have a long bench seat here, forward face seating, as well as live well underneath this rear seat, and a second live well underneath the helm seat. Both are insulated. I'm Canyon. I appreciate you guys coming along with me today. If you have any interest in this boat or any other boats at MarineMax, come see us at MarineMax on Beach, or you can give me a shout at 417-229-2517. Thank you.